Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the style book on WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and simply search for wordpress.com and log into your WordPress account. This is the interface you're going to see over here. This is my home page, and here on the right hand side, you can see the quick links option, and below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editors page of WordPress. As you can see here, this is the editors page of WordPress. After you have reached the editors page of WordPress, go to the right hand side over here and click on the styles icon. And here on the styles icon, you can see that there is an eye option that looks like an eye that says style book. So simply click on the style book, and here you can see different color options, different text options. As you can see over here, different headings options, colors options, themes, media, widgets, embeds, and everything from here. As you can see, just simply scroll through it and just browse through all of it and make sure what you want to edit or add to your WordPress website. After that, just simply click on save, and all of your actions will be saved and your WordPress styling book will be completed. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.